Beautiful. Now, little cheddar for the better. Some bacon. Nice and crispy, but not too much. Put that right on there. Following the theme, cornbread. Some corn kernels. Just around like that. Delicious. And add a little spice to your life. Some jalapeno slices, freshly chopped. Yes, sir. Let's close it up. And boom. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, they are. Let's go. Go ahead and get them open. It's a little stuck. There we go. Got a little honey here. A little melted butter. Delicious. A little bit of salt, flaky salt. Give that a little mix. Alright, should be ready. Delicious. Let's go here and grab these. Ooh, nice and hot. Just the way it should be. This way. Come through with our delicious mix of melted butter, honey, and a little bit of salt. Go like that. And we use this to get the rest. Wow. Let's go ahead and grab 2 of them. Get my favorite 2, which is these 2 here. And we move over this way. Woo, look at that drip. Baby, let's go ahead and cut these in half for now. Stack them up. Cut them again. Whoa, listen to that crunch. Nice. Check this stuff out. Wow, baby. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's grab one of these. Okay, so we're gonna take these spoons here and spray each one. Make sure they're completely covered so that our cornbread batter does not stick to them. And you can find this pre-made mix at any of your favorite stores. Okay, make sure that it is covered evenly at the bottom. And we take our finger and slide it right around the edges to make sure that it's not too thin. And this process is going to last about 15 to 20 seconds. And your oil should be at least at 350 degrees. And for the last one, same process. Clean the edges around a little bit. Dip it in. 15, 20 seconds, depending on how colored you want it. There we go. Okay, guys. So, we take this nice block of American cheddar. We're going to try and cut as evenly possible some nice big squares that we're going to place in each of these muffin tins. Just like this, one by one. Now, we take some of this smoky barbecue. It's so good. It's a great combination. We're going to just square it a tiny bit over each one. And it's going to add a lot of flavor. Of course, we're going to add a little Jack Daniels. Kick it up a notch. Right there. and off to the oven. We place them in here just until they get melted. Now on to the chili. Everybody likes a hearty hot chili, so let's take 2 of these petals, cornbread boats, call them what you want. Put a nice heaping spoon of chili on there. Come back with this melty cheese. And it's a great combination. You guys gotta try this. Spread it all the way across. Get some crispy onions. Top it off with a little herb of your choice. Right here we are using some chives. And top it off with your favorite hot sauce if you like it. Give that a try.
So this is going to be actually our inside here. I'm going to do the same exact thing with our next chicken. I'm going to go ahead and cut. I'm going to flavor the inside of the chicken. A little bit of spices. I'm going to go ahead and fold this over so we now can push down and we have honey spiced chicken, but we're not done. So we have our buttermilk, gonna go right into our flour mixture. This has a little bit of cornstarch in it and also, of course, seasoning. And we're gonna go right into some hot oil, guys. Let it sit for just a little bit, let it dangle, and let it drop. Time to get the big bad chicken out. I'm gonna call it honey chicken, big bad honey chicken. I'll place this here, let it rest for a minute. Corn, you're up. What is happening today? Well, we are making corn waffles. First, waffle iron. Second, corn, but we're not finished yet. Then I'm gonna pour in the waffle batter. I'm gonna go in on all the sides. And then finish up here. Okay, let's check out. Oh, we got corn waffles. And if you're ever trying to lose weight, you can eat honey on an empty stomach and it creates enzymes that actually help you break down fat. Okay, gonna take our freshly fried chicken, fills up the entire waffle. They're looking good. So we have corn, chicken, and waffle. Okay, now I have this last one here. Gonna go ahead and bring over some orange juice. I'm gonna take 3 of my bacon straws.